So we are back. The camera is on. So we are here to begin the 12 to 15 female finals. With us we have Tamil Nadu's Tejashri, Andhra Pradesh Bhavya Shri, and Maharashtra's Pranavi Prakash. So at the start there was a foul start made by Andhra Pradesh skater Bhavya Shri. Making fouls here will be very costly. So I see wishes coming on for all the skaters here, the comments. All excited. And there they go. Sprinting way too fast than previous races. Close fight between Andhra, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Wow. Amazing. And looks like Andhra Pradesh finishing first, Tamil Nadu finishing second, and Maharashtra at the third place. Let's wait for the results to come up. So for finals of boys 12 to 15 sub-junior boys, here we have Achieve of Uttar Pradesh, Swatantra Dev Singh of Uttar Pradesh, Pranav from Tamil Nadu in their respective lanes. There is an announcement coming up after the finals. All the finals, just stay tuned. These small races, that's 100-meter races, are like the gun to the finish. It's purely on the power of wheels, how good you use them. And there they go, but with the foul. Let's find out who has made the foul this time. So UP20 in the first lane, UP35 in the second lane, and TN54 Pranav in third lane. So Uttar Pradesh Swatantra Dev Singh makes the foul start. Not the right place to do fouls. And there they go. There they go. Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu finishing. So UP20 finishing first. Tamil Nadu's Pranav finishing second, and Uttar Pradesh Swatantra Dev Singh the third. But let's wait for the official results to be announced. It is not just speed, it is controlled explosion by these first winners. So we are all set to begin 15 to 18 female 100 meters finals. We have Arman of Punjab, Arundhati of Tamil Nadu and Sriniti of Tamil Nadu present here. Two skaters from Tamil Nadu and one from Punjab. And they are all set. And there they go. Very close contest. Very close race. Punjab finishing first. Punjab's Arman finishing first. Arundhati looks like she has finished second, and Trinity is finished third. But let's wait for the official result to come up. And now we have male of the same age group, that's 15 to 18, on the line. We have Anirudhan of Kerala, Bishal Dev Goswami of Uttar Pradesh, and Vardhan Goraya of Punjab present at the start line in their respective lanes. Fast legs, fierce minds, and fearless heart, ready to roll their wheels. All set and waiting for the referee's call. Mr. James Anthony is the starter. And many other officials at the corners. And there they go. Oh, the cheers of the crowd. Wow, wow, what a sprint by Kerala. Kerala is finishing first. Kerala looks like Kerala is finished first. Vishal was second and Punjab's Vardhan third. Let's wait for the official results to come up. So now we move on to above 18 female. Here with us we have Kalpana Kuttappa of Tamil Nadu, A. Abna from Kerala and Purvi of Karnataka present in their respective lanes at the start line. Here the reaction time matters more than excuses. So I'm very hopeful that they are giving the very best. So all set. And there they go. One straight track and one clear goal for all these three women. Looks like Tamil Nadu finished first and Karnataka second, but let's wait for the official results again. We'll depend on the photo finish camera for the results. Our eyes will definitely deceive us at times. So we have above 18 male final. Here we have Hari Sarvottam of Karnataka, Arnav Ashish Tripathi of Maharashtra and Dhanush Babu of Karnataka at the start in their respective lanes. Here in 100 meters where milliseconds will make legends. Once they start, there's no time to think, only time to react. And there they go, but with a foul start. Let's find out who has made the foul. Two Karnataka skaters and one Maharashtra.
Tamil Nadu team, please go inside the hood. K44, first foul.
KF44, Dhanush Babu, first foul.
All right, sir.
Come on, cheer up for them. And there they go. Pure sprint, zero mercy. KS69. That's Hari finishing first.
So there are two Karnataka.
Six. So it's first.
K44 second. MS 41.
Hari finishing first, Dhanush Babu second, and Maharashtra's Arnav Ashish Tripathi at third place. Let's wait for the official announcement of these results. Congratulations to all the winners.